Hello. In this video, we shall learn about the feature, Approve Service Requests. As the name suggests, this is the feature where one can approve service requests from the users. To approve a service request, one must have the approver access, which will be configured by an administrator. However, if one has the approver access and needs to approve a service request, one must navigate to the Service Request module and click Approve Service Request option to view the list of service requests that are waiting for approval. We are aware that the thumbs up icon at the very top of the page gives us the option to view the requests awaiting approvals irrespective of the module. However, Approve Service Request feature gives a list of service requests in specific that are awaiting approvals. To navigate and look at this feature, let us choose the Service Request module and then choose Approve Service Request option. The page with a list of service requests that are awaiting approval is now being accessed. Here, a minimum of 20 to a maximum of 500 records can be viewed, and the page number along with the count of records available on that page. From the Actions panel, one can apply filters to these requests with respect to department, caller, status, and log time. The columns we now see here can be customized by using the Configure Columns option from Actions panel. When Configure Columns is chosen, one can choose any column from available columns and move it right to the selected columns, so that the selected column will now be visible under the main page of the requests list. The view we currently are seeing is the tabular view. Tabular view is a list type of a view. To change the view, we click on the Tile option here. Tile view is a card type of view, which is currently displayed on screen. Now that we have learnt about the features from the Approve Service Request list page, let us understand how to approve a request. To approve a service request, select one from the available requests and proceed to a page containing the summary of the chosen request, including caller details, tenant, log time, status, category, and other relevant information. Based on this information, the approval status is decided. Approve Service Request can be clicked from the Actions panel, and the choice of whether to approve, reject, refer back, forward, or keep on hold can be made based on the scenario. For example, if the request is approved, then Approve is selected from the drop-down, and comments supporting the decision are specified under Remarks. Next feature is the Change History, where an entire navigation part of the request can be viewed along with date, time and the resource who made changes. The auditors use the Change History option to keep a track of the request workflow while auditing. Click Chat History to view the chat details related to the service request, and a Chat History pop-up page displays the details. If the chat does not exist between an analyst and end user, then the page displays as no data. Click Support Document to view the attached supporting document for the SR in the Support Document pop-up page. This gives information related to business agreements and so on, if any. Click Print to take a print of the service request details. When you scroll the page a little down, you will come across the approver details along with the status, as whether the SR is awaiting approval or completed. If we scroll further below, the page displays the form that is filled by the user while submitting the service request. Let's go ahead and approve this service request. Select Approve Service Request from the Action panel. Select Approve from the drop-down and type in the remarks. Please note that remarks are not mandatory while approving. However, it becomes mandatory for all other actions. Click Submit once the remarks are updated and the page displays a confirmation message saying the service request status is changed. With this, we are now aware how to approve a service request, View the list of requests pending for approval and the actions within the approval page.